If you're looking for a flat table that's great for fixturing and doing precise metal fab and are also perfect for bike builders, you need to check out these CertiFlat heavy-duty welding tables at Eastwood. There are a lot of different options and sizes to fit your needs, and right here we have two of our most popular units. In this video, we're going to take a look at this 2x3 table with legs and casters and show you the features and what you can do with it. If you want more information on this 2x3 fab block and the attachments to not only make it larger but to expand its capabilities, there will be a link to watch a video near the end of this one. And as always, for more information at Eastwood, simply click or tap the button in the top corner at any time. These Pro Series table kits were designed from the ground up, specifically for the welder and fabricator, and that's why they're used by dozens of OEM manufacturers across North America. This kit is made of 3/16 hot rolled, pickled, and oiled steel using state-of-the-art CNC laser cutting technology to give you exceptional fit and the ability to do the best metal work. And because it's CNC laser cut, there's no slag on the edges of the cut metal. If you want to invest in yourself, one of these tables will definitely help you do the best work possible while allowing your skills to improve. The table has engineered tab and slot stiffening ribs to guarantee a flat surface within 15 thousandths, as well as a heat control design to eliminate warping during assembly. The 16mm holes are on 2-inch centers, which will work with strong hand tools as well as with many other fixturing clamps. The tables are available as tops only if you want to set them on an existing bench to use as a fixturing table, or you can add the legs and wheels to make it a standalone table. The CNC laser cut legs are made of 11-gauge steel and fit perfectly into the table. The table moves easily with the 3-inch wheels, and the brakes lock it into place to do the work. You can firmly attach positioning stops or even use 5/8 bolts to hold pieces in a straight line or make them square to other pieces. Clamps can completely hold the pieces together without the fear of them moving. This allows you to make perfect angles and even boxes or tabletops with the precision you need for the best appearance and function. You can even attach a fab square to the table to further expand the abilities of your metal fabrication. And the fab squares come in all kinds of sizes, from 2 to 4 inches wide and from 6 to 12 inches tall, so you should be able to find one that fits all of your needs. If you're looking to fab 90-degree angles in nearly any direction, from flat on the table to standing on end to make a box, these fab squares will give you the precision you need. You can use a few of them together to make more complex shapes, or use the other side of the blocks when you need 45-degree angles for your project. If you want to step up your fabrication, you really need to check out these CertiFlat tables at Eastwood. They're available in many sizes and styles, so I'm sure you'll find one that fits your needs. And the accessories you can add on will allow you to further grow your fabrication skills. For more information or to get yours today, click or tap the button in the top corner of the video or follow the link that appears on screen.